India is at a critical intersection where climate change and energy consumption are reshaping the nation's future. Rising temperatures, extreme weather, and rapid urbanization are increasing electricity demand. Cooling is becoming one of the largest energy drivers, while India is also emerging as a global leader in renewable energy. In this video, we will explore how climate change is impacting India's energy demand, how the country is responding, and what solutions can create a resilient, low-carbon future.
Rising temperatures are causing electricity demand to surge. Every fund exceeds increase above 24 degrees drives a 2% rise in national electricity use. When temperatures cross 30 degrees, demand can jump by 11% or more, and in Delhi, it can spike to 30%. Peak electricity demand grew from 190 GWh in 2021 to 250 GWh in 2024. With 536 heatwave days in 2024 alone, air conditioning is no longer a luxury but a necessity, creating a cycle of higher power use and more emissions. Every hot day pushes more cooling demand across cities and towns. As temperatures rise, usage surges in lockstep. Above 24 degrees Celsius, 2% per degree. Above 30 degrees Celsius, double-digit jumps. Operators chase record peaks day after day. And the heat keeps coming. The surge is here and growing. India's power sector still relies heavily on coal, generating 75% of electricity and 95% of emissions. In 2023, power-related CO2 emissions reached 1.4 billion tons. Carbon intensity was 713 g CO2 per kWh, higher than the G20 average of 445 g CO2 per kWh. Low-income households face the most heat stress due to lack of access to cooling. Urban heat islands exacerbate peak demand, concentrating heat across dense neighborhoods. Cooling energy demand could double by 2027 and grow eightfold by 2038. Each degree of heat pressures the grid further. More cooling can mean more coal burned today. Without change, reliability and air quality both suffer. The stakes are social as much as they are environmental. Despite these challenges, India is accelerating renewable energy. In 2024, India added 30 GWh of renewable capacity, more than doubling 2023's 13.75 GWh. Total renewable capacity reached 220 GWh, including 105 GWh solar and 75 GWh wind, ranking fourth globally. In 2025, power sector emissions fell by 1% for the first time in 50 years. Thanks to clean energy growth and cooler weather, and increased hydro, more wind, and more nuclear generation. Battery storage targets are projected at 47 GWh by 2032 to manage peak loads and reduce coal dependence. Storage bridges intermittent supply and nightly demand. A more resilient, cleaner grid is taking shape. India's climate targets include 500 GWh of non-fossil capacity by 2030, 50% energy from renewables, and net zero by 2070. Programs like PM Surya Ghar Yojana offer up to 60% subsidies for rooftop solar. PM Kusum supports farmers with solar pumps. Energy efficiency measures, like AC temperature caps of 20/2082, could reduce peak loads by 60 GWh by 2035. The National Cooling Action Plan promotes passive cooling, green refrigerants, and efficient building designs. Grid modernization and smart meters are improving renewable integration. Smarter grids smooth peaks and reduce curtailment. Efficiency is the fastest, cheapest way to lower demand. Small choices at scale drive big system change. In conclusion, climate change is driving unprecedented electricity demand in India, especially for cooling. Yet, renewable energy growth, energy efficiency, and storage solutions offer a path to decarbonize the power sector. By scaling renewables, modernizing grids, and promoting sustainable cooling, India can meet its climate commitments and set an example for other developing nations. Together, technology, policy, and behavior change can make India's energy future resilient, clean, and sustainable. Smart choices at home reduce peaks and bills. Local projects build resilience and jobs. The roadmap is clear and within reach. A resilient, clean energy future starts now. Stay informed. Share this story. Together we can keep India cool and its power clean.